Yeah, Evan, you thought you could diss me back, but fuck that shit. Put the beat on.
Alright.
Yeah, fuck you, Evan. You a little bitch. Wait till the beat fucking drops. Yeah. Fuck you, Evan. You're so fucking poor. You live in the shack. Got my stacks in the back. Got my dope in my crack. You fucking poor. Box your face on the fucking floor. Want some more? Come at me, you'll get stuck in your fucking jaw. I'm so fucking raw. I break the fucking law. You don't break fucking shit. Might shoot off some fire fucking works. Nigga, I see you in school trying to fucking lurk. Fuck with me, you will get fucking murked. Yeah, do my shit twice. Look at you, Asian as hell, eat your fucking rice. Grimy ass hair, look at that fucking lice. Yeah, baby ass bitch like a fucking mice. Come at me, you will get stuck every time. Not twice, but maybe 6 times. Yeah, grimy as hell. Yeah, every day you wake up, get fucking Taco Bell. Yeah, poor as hell, anywhere I want. Yeah, peace out, DeAndre's got the beat right now.
Yeah. Thanks for the middle of the fucking beat. Yo, Evan just a little bitch, ain't doing shit. Coming at Curry, I have to beat this fucking trick. Yes, I spit these lethal ass flows, I do it, bitch. And I spit those darts, beating yo kids. Evan got knocked the fuck out at his party, looking like a little bitch. Is tardy for a class, getting slapped in his face. Nigga looks like he got sprayed with that can of mace. Yes, I am fresh, too flossy. Niggas looking at me, bossy. Yes, I do this shit, and I'm too legit. Evan just is a spiky hair bitch. Yes, he got blonde hair, looking at his ass. Little gay motherfucker, rat, cat. Smash his mom because she is really fun, man. Yeah, stick it in the booty, do it. I like to eat the Fruity Loops, do it. Pass that shit off to Paul because Evan be licking on my fucking balls.
You are a lame, that's what I say. And if you didn't know, you got that fucking Edward Cullen wannabe ass hair. You'll get stuck anywhere. Meet me at the pockets going down about 3. About to roll up, smoke a hella tree. If you didn't know me, well you fucking know me. Spit a couple rhymes for your weak ass, what you fucking know. I come to your mansion and I beat you up, ho. You think you're fucking cool, you think you fucking tight, but you live in fucking Fargo. Yeah, that shit ain't right. And you fucking white as hell, I bet you didn't fucking know. You probably had sex with George Biermeyer.
Yeah, Evan, yo, bitch, nigga.
I'ma diss you back.
We got this shit on lock. We be running it.
Same for
We be running it. This shit.
Pause it. Did you fucking record it?
Let's edit that out.